Mia, saying while the phone rang was so embarrassing today.
Don't worry, just use the sudden explosion and the parallel lines.
Oh wow, trick makes perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
I always confuse the words when and while.
That is a very common mistake for many English learners today.
I am sad. They both sound completely correct to me.
Do not worry. We will just paint pictures in your mind.
What is the secret golden rule today?
We will think like a movie director to see the difference.
A movie director? That sounds very fun.
Yes, one is a sudden explosion and one is parallel lines.
I am ready to see the movie.
Let us start with the sudden explosion for rule number 1.
Tell me about the sudden explosion rule.
We use the word when for a sudden event that interrupts.
Like a bomb in an action movie?
Exactly. Think of a rock dropping into a calm pool of water.
Splosh. The rock is the sudden event.
Spot on. Listen to this. When the phone rang, I was sleeping.
Sleeping is the long, relaxing, ongoing action.
And the phone ringing is the sudden explosion that interrupted you.
I really hate when that happens.
So we put when right before the sudden short event today.
Can you give me another clear picture?
Picture a noisy classroom. When the teacher came in, they became quiet.
The teacher walking in is the explosion.
Brilliant. We usually use when with a past simple tense verb.
Like the words rang, arrived, and came.
You got it. Now let us look at the parallel lines.
I am ready for the parallel lines.
We use the word while when two ongoing actions happen together.
So there are no sudden explosions here?
No explosions, just two smooth actions flowing side by side peacefully.
Please, paint me a new movie scene.
Listen to this. While I was studying, my brother was watching TV.
We have two long actions happening together.
Exactly. They are just parallel lines and nobody is interrupting anyone.
While she was cooking, he was cleaning.
Spot on. That is great teamwork with two ongoing continuous actions.
While we were walking, we were listening.
Brilliant. While describes the peaceful flow of time in your story.
What is the grammar rule for while?
We usually use while with the past continuous tense, like was walking.
So it always describes an ongoing progress.
You absolutely nailed it. Now, let us step into the big comparison.
What happens in the big comparison zone?
This is where you become the movie director of your sentences.
I am the director of my sentences?
Exactly. Listen to this. While I was reading, the phone rang.
The camera focuses on the long action.
Spot on, because the word while is next to the reading action.
What happens if we flip the sentence?
Listen to this. When the phone rang, I was reading a book.
The camera focuses on the phone ringing.
Brilliant. You are putting the focus on the sudden explosion moment.
It is the exact same story today.
Same story, but different focus depending on what you want to show.
So when tells you the exact moment.
And while tells you what was happening in the background scene.
I love being a smart movie director.
You are doing great. Now let us go fix some common mistakes.
What happens in our error lab today?
We wear safety goggles to fix common English mistakes.
Look at this sentence on the screen.
It says, while I arrived home late yesterday.
That sounds very wrong to my ears.
Tell me exactly why it is wrong in our error lab today.
Because arriving home is a sudden short explosion.
Spot on. You cannot use while for a sudden short explosion.
We must change it to when I arrived.
Excellent. See, you fixed the first error instantly.
Look at the next patient on screen.
When I was studying, she was watching TV.
Both are long actions happening together.
Right. They are in progress together, just like parallel lines.
So the better word is actually while.
You just cleaned up the entire error lab like a professional.
I want to practice speaking these out loud.
Great. Listen to these 6 sentences and repeat them loudly with us.
When the phone rang, I was sleeping.
When the phone rang, I was sleeping.
When the phone rang, I was sleeping.
While I was studying, he was watching TV.
While I was studying, he was watching TV.
While I was studying, he was watching TV.
When the teacher came in, we became quiet.
When the teacher came in, we became quiet.
When the teacher came in, we became quiet.
While she was cooking, he was cleaning.
While she was cooking, he was cleaning.
While she was cooking, he was cleaning.
When I arrived home, everyone smiled happily.
When I arrived home, everyone smiled happily.
When I arrived home, everyone smiled happily.
While we were walking, we were listening.
While we were walking, we were listening.
While we were walking, we were listening.
My mouth feels very natural speaking English now.
That is the power of our daily shadowing practice for your brain.
Let us do a quick mental summary now.
Lock this trick in your mind forever before we finish today.
What is the magic rule for when?
When equals the sudden moment that changes the whole situation.
And what about the word called while?
While tells you exactly what was happening in the background scene.
When is a moment, while is ongoing.
Say it louder for the people in the back to hear.
When is a moment, while is ongoing.
Awesome. You are officially ready to speak like a native speaker.
Now it is your turn to practice this.
Open up the comment section down below and get your keyboards ready.
Write one simple sentence using the word when.
And write one simple sentence using the word while correctly today.
Please subscribe and like this helpful video.
Keep practicing every day, and we will see you in the next lesson.